Hello, my name's Hannah and I'm at the skin surgery clinic having the upper blepharoplasty. I chose skin surgery clinic as it was recommended to me by a family member. I've done a lot of research and I've read through all of the surgeons' biographies and watched all the videos, and they're all highly skilled, so I have no preference on who I want to go with. And even though I am young, I have decided to get the procedure done now, just because my eyelids are getting more prominent and they're drooping over now onto my eyelashes, and it's just affecting my confidence. With age, it's just going to get worse. My surgeon of the day was Mr. Baines. I arrived and the procedure was again explained to me, so I got a good understanding of what to expect. I was very nervous, but all the staff were friendly. They put me at ease and made the whole procedure a relaxed and calm experience. The full surgery took less than 1 hour. I laid on the bed and my eyelids were then measured and marked up, and the local anaesthetic was injected. Mr. Baines told me that the anaesthetic being injected can be uncomfortable, and for me it was. Luckily, it was only a few quick injections per eyelid, so it was bearable. But the rest of the hour, it just went very quickly. Each of the stages were explained to me throughout the procedure, but I still couldn't feel them. Pushing and pulling is all I could feel. Once I was stitched and taped and the eye drops were administered, I was then taken through to the recovery room and the cooling eye mask was placed on my eyes just to help with any bruising or swelling. I then received a aftercare pack and I rested at home. I took paracetamol frequently that day, yesterday, and I did use the cooling eye packs as well, just to help with any relief, and use the ointment for my eyes, which you use morning and night. Today is day 1. I have woken up very swollen and bruised and tight. I am only taking paracetamol though today if and when I need it. I don't feel I need it much today at all. But I am using the eye cooling mask just to help relieve the pressure really on my eyes. I have also received a post-surgery phone call from a nurse from the skin surgery clinic just to go through how I was and how my eyes were doing and just talk through the aftercare routine really. It was very helpful and she did reassure me. To say it's only day 3 since having the procedure, I do feel fine in myself. Obviously, I do have a lot of swelling still and the bruising is still coming out under my eyes. It is really tender. I am restricted from daily activities, I can't bend down and I can't look up due to pressure on my eyes. I am resting every few hours and applying the eye cooling mask, but I have not needed to take any more paracetamol since day 1. It's just not painful, it's just tight. And I already see a difference. I've had my stitches removed today. I was very nervous, but there was no need to be because it was painless. I was laid on the bed and the nurse talked through what she was going to do. She then took the tape off my eyelid, she cut the stitch just here in the middle, and then she pulled the thread outwards in a quick pulling motion. I breathed in, breathed out, and it was done. It was pain-free. I felt a slight tug, but nothing more. And I cannot believe the results already. I have a swollen left eye just here, and my right eye is quite bruised, but this will all go in a week or 2. I have to massage my eyelids once a day with moisturiser, but that's everything. I can't believe the results already. I'm so pleased. In myself, I feel quite tight. Obviously still because I've just taken them out a few hours ago. I do have a numb tingling sensation in my eyelids, and this will ease off and go back to normal in 3 to 6 months. It's 2 weeks a day and my eyes are pretty much back to normal. They are slightly tender to touch just along where I've had my stitches out, but it has only obviously been 2 weeks. Massaging it with moisturiser is really helping. They are slightly swollen. The left one is just here by my lashes and just here on my right, just above my stitches. But otherwise,
they are looking amazing. They are tight and I cannot believe the improvement already. It's 6 weeks today and my eyes are doing brilliantly. There is a slight bit of scarring just here at the ends of my eyes, and the top of my right eye, just where the stitches have been taken out, is a little bit sore, but otherwise, to say it's only 6 weeks, they've done amazingly. They are getting tighter every day as well, so I can't wait to see the final result. I had my 12-week consultation today with Mr. Baines and he is very pleased with the results so far. He did mention that I have just a slight scarring on both outer lids here and here. Assured me though within about a 3-month period they will completely fade. I have feeling again in both my eyelids. There is no numbness and everything is back to normal. And I've had so many positive comments about my eyelids. It's amazing. I couldn't believe the results. It's better than I could ever imagine. I'm so grateful to everybody and I would definitely recommend the Skin Surgery Clinic. From start to finish, your team has been amazing. So thank you everybody.